Hi, my name is Rafat GH. Can you tell me who you are and what you're doing, where you are from?
I'm a student here in University of Ghana. I'm from Nigeria, Ogun State, and I'm here to further my education.
So, what was your first impression when you stepped in Ghana?
Oh, they had nice sceneries, like the buildings were well structured. I could see, I could, like, let's say, foresee, or let's say, see some, the students, how they were, like their reactions towards class and stuffs. It was kind of appealing. So, that was my first impression about this.
So, how long have you been in Ghana?
Um, I'm currently in level 1 right now, so let's say 4 years.
So, how do you get to Ghana? Is it by road or flight?
Mm, flight maybe, yeah, flight.
Okay. So, how do you cooperate with the weather of Ghana comparing to Nigeria? How do you see it?
Okay, the weather conditions, it's quite similar. It's very similar. So like you get a hotter region, a colder region, like that one is fine, like a moderate temperature. So it's not, it doesn't have a vast difference as compared to the European countries. But Nigeria and Ghana is like the same weather conditions.
So,
So
okay. So have you tried the food of Ghana food? Have you tried?
um, globally, like let's say no, naturally, we Nigerian we prefer the Nigeria jollof. Yeah. But as I came here, tasting that Ghanaian jollof, I can see it's much way less nutritive more than ours, the Nigerians. So I would take Ghanaian dish a little bit ahead of the Nigerians. Me as a Nigerian.
So have you tried the Ghana jollof?
Yeah, it's quite. It's very. It's vast. Like it's very. I don't know how to even put it. It's very delicious, palatable. Like as compared to we the Nigerian jollof.
So if I get you right, do you mean Ghana jollof is far better than Nigeria jollof?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Ghana jollof is very delicious. It's even presentable. Like delicious more than the Nigerian
oh,
jollof. Yeah.
congratulations to Ghana, yes. But I want to know when you been to Ghana, do you have any tortured? Do you think Ghana is peaceful?
Okay. We are having back, like way back in Nigeria, they are having like numerous like populations in Nigeria as compared to Ghana. So here having a lesser number of people here, it tends to be like it tends to have that kind of serene environment, that peaceful, yeah, as compared to Nigeria. Every 6 months, 7 months, you hear some chaos, some but for here being being here for 4 years, I think here is we